Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use Calendar View on ClickUp. So if you're creating a lot of tasks for yourself with a due date or something like that, that's just an example, then it's nice to have the Calendar View right here in ClickUp. So let's say from now we are having right here some tasks, and let's add a due date right here. So we do this as a due date and maybe this as a due date. It's again just an example. Then we go right here to View, where we can select right here Calendar. And then right here, if you can see, you will find right here the Calendar View with our tasks in the calendar. Then right now you see here the view, and you can change right here a lot of stuff for the calendar view, because we can show right here task dates. Now you see one is shown. We can check right here the color tasks by. We can do the time format, and you can see right here if you want to show weekends, and you see right here if you want to show week numbers. Then you can also sync with calendar, so with your Microsoft Calendar or Google, and you have more options right here that you can do. Maybe an autosave or maybe a pin view. So you have a lot of options from here that you can do. We have also a filter right here where we can search for something in the calendar. And if you want to change from just today or month, you can do that right here, or go here on the right arrow to a different month. So this is in a nutshell how to use the calendar view on ClickUp. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.